look down. You're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness. They tried this, but I'm too classy for your lines. When I double cups up, that's the reason that I'm like this.
Hey guys, it's Blaize. First of all, if you're wondering, Blaize, what the hell happened to your hair? I will link that video up in the cards, or just check out my most latest video. It's a semi-fail, semi-win, which pretty much sums up my life. Anyway, this is the second installment in my series of affordable holiday gift set. I'm back. Affordable holiday beauty gift sets. I'm so good. I took a poll on Instagram and my Facebook page, which is the Blaize Nation. If you don't follow me on all my social medias, make sure to do so you can vote. I asked you guys if you'd like to see a Wet n Wild one or a Profusion one first. I'm going to be doing both of them, but which one would you guys want to see first? And guess which one who won? I guess you could tell by the title who won, was Wet n Wild. For a little while, they were like neck and neck. Like I really thought Profusion was gonna win, and I was like kind of shocked. I was like, all right, Profusion. And I've already swatched some of the Profusions, so wait for that video. First, before anyone asks, because I'm always asked, the lippy I am wearing is the AOA Studio Lippy in Cyber. So that is what I'm wearing on my lips. So we are going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Matte and Shine set that you can get at Walgreens for $15, and you get a mini photo focus eyeshadow primer, 2 10-pan palettes, and 1 tapered blending pro brush. So you get all that for $15, which I think is a pretty dang good deal. I do have the photo focus primer, and I really enjoy it. It was one of the only ones that I used a lot in the past. Guys, it's like 7 in the morning. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open this up. I love the packaging, the colors, and the design, the geometric, like baby pink and gold or rose gold, whatever. Very similar to the Shop Miss A palette I just purchased. So when you open it up, this is what you see. This is what comes inside. So again, you get a mini size, I would say like a travel size of the Photo Focus eyeshadow primer right here, which is a really good primer, especially if you're on a budget. So I would definitely check that out. Ooh, this is soft and pretty. This is like rose gold pink too. So this is their tapered blending brush. It's their I can't see, it's too shiny, P15 brush. So Wet n Wild brushes are amazing. They're one of the best there are. So definitely going to be using that in this look today. And then you get 2 eyeshadow palettes that come with 10 shades in each palette. You get the matte palette, which I'm most excited for. This one kind of reminds me of a little bit, you get a sponge tip applicator. This kind of reminds me of the Modern Renaissance kind of look, and I'm digging that. So let's go ahead and swatch a few from this. Obviously gonna swatch that one. And let's do this one. Ooh, these are really nice and soft and buttery smooth and pretty dang pigmented. So those are some swatches from the matte palette. And you have the shimmer palette, which is like a cool toned, it's a little bit, there's some warm tones in it, but it's mostly cool tone shimmers in here. So let's go ahead and swatch a couple of these. Let's do this one, this one, this one, and this one. So again, very nice and soft and seems pretty dang pigmented. Ooh, that's nice. So those are some of the colors from this one. So I'm going to do an eye look, and I will review everything, the brush, the primer, and the shadows, so I can give you guys a full thing. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the little mini size of the Photo Focus eye primer they give. If you're wondering about my nails, they are from Kiss. They are gorgeous. I love them. They are perfect for the holiday season. And yes, I know it's November and I have Santa up. I don't care. My Christmas tree that I set up the other day with you guys still turned on the lights. Lights have not turned off since then. Oh, I love the finish of this eyeshadow primer. It's very nice and just soft and velvety. So I'm gonna start with the matte palette, if I can open it. There we go. So let's start with these two colors right here, and let's blend those into the crease and have that be a transition shade. There's a lot of kick up in the pan, but let's see how it applies. So that is what we're starting with in the crease. I really actually do like those as transition colors. I'm actually pretty impressed. Now I'm going to go into the shimmer palette, and I'm going to take mostly this gold right here and a little bit of the one next to it. So these two right here, and I'm actually going to be putting those in my crease. I know it's like shimmer in the crease, that's unheard of. Well, you know, do what you gotta do. Makeup is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be something that needs to be followed in a rule book, and people get way, way, way too uptight about makeup nowadays. They take the fun out of makeup. This has been a rant by Blaize. You're welcome. Now I'm going to take that same yellowy gold shade on just a bigger, fluffier brush and go above my crease, blending that out with that. That's pretty. I'm just going to wet an eyeshadow brush with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. This is my new favorite setting spray, but the nozzle is like, I don't know what's up with it. But I'm going to, of course, take this beautiful pinky, mauvey, burgundy color, and I am going to pack that pretty much all over the lid. Lots of fallout with this one. I don't know if it's because I wet the brush or whatever, but lots of fallout with this one. I don't know if it's catching on camera. I might need to use a different brush. Okay, it did wipe away very easily, and I just switched brushes, and I didn't wet this one, and it's coming out much better. Much, much better. That's what I'm looking for. Yes, beige. Now I'm going to take the brush that this set came with, the P15, and I'm going to take that same color and just blend it into the crease just a little bit, just to give it a little smoking, blending action. Ooh, I love this brush. It feels so soft and so comfortable, and it gets right into the area very, very nicely. Ooh. Me approve of this brush. Okay, so far I am in love with this look. I really think it's a great holiday and just beautiful, warm look for the eyes. I think it's good for this time of year and for the holidays coming up, like Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever you celebrate. I think this is nice. So I'm going to take the more reddish brown kind of shade next to it, and I'm going to put that on the outer V. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, that looks nice. Now I'm going to go into the shimmer palette and just get the white out of this, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and blend the tops nicely together, smooth everything out. Ooh, that's nice. I'm going to put my liquid liner and my waterline liner on off camera, and I'll be right back. Now we're going to do the under eyes. So let's get the right brush first Blaize. Right here, I'm gonna take a smudge brush, and I think I'm going to use this color right here. Ah, I just stuck my nail in it, great. Problem with long nails. Use that color right there, and I'm going to use that to tightly line my lower lash line. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That looks nice so far. I don't know if you can tell. I'll show a better angle. That looks nice. I like that. So now I'm going to take this second shade right here, which is like a light baby pink champagne kind of page kind of color. And I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. That's cute. Cute. So here is the completed look. I really am like super in love with it. It's like a berry explosion. I love it. So let's go through the products. The eyeshadow primer, very good primer. I've used it before. Lets your shadows last all day, and it's a very nice formula. Definitely recommend, even if you don't purchase this, purchase that on its own. The brush was amazing. I absolutely love the aesthetics of the brush, first of all, but it was also very precise. It was able to, since it's tapered, get into the crease really, really well, and it was very, very soft and very easy to work with. So that is an A+. The shimmer shadows palette I adore. I think it is beautiful. I think they are very pigmented, and they got a nice selection of colors here where you can do a whole lot. And probably my favorite palette out of the two, that would be the matte palette. I think this is just gorgeous, and if you don't have, you know, the money for the Modern Renaissance palette, this is a good dupe for it. And the shadows, again, so pigmented and easy to work with and blend beautifully. And all together, do I think that all of this is worth $15? Yes, this gets 5 Wicked Little Devils in my book, because you get 2 eyeshadow palettes, a brush, and a mini eyeshadow primer. If you or someone you know that you want to get a gift for is just starting out with makeup, this would be a great item to get for Christmas, because you get some shimmers, you get some mattes, you get a brush, you get primer, so it's like a lot in one kit, and they're very simple to work with and practice with. So if you guys are just starting out, or like I said, know somebody who's just starting out, this is a fantastic product. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you're ready for more affordable gift sets for the holidays, give me a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to go down below and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are, and I always have at least one free monthly giveaway. So are you guys gonna go and purchase this? Have you purchased it? What are your thoughts if you have purchased it? Let me know, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias and be social with me on medias, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones. Sorry about my hair. I gotta fix it. Bye. Stay wicked.